Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve our last problem, problem number 8 in exercise 13.2. So here the problem is a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. So we have a spherical glass, okay, we have a sphere with a cylindrical neck, right? So this is our diagram. We have a sphere and the neck of the sphere is cylindrical in shape, right? And the cylindrical dimensions are, you see, 8 centimeter long. So this is 8 centimeter long and the diameter is 2 centimeter, right? So again the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So this is your diameter and it is 8.5 centimeter. So by measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Right. So a child simply find the volume held by this apparatus or something, right? Seems to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements and pi is equal to 3.14. So now what is the thing? We have to find the volume of this setup or volume of this device or apparatus, right? So once we find the volume, then we can check with the value given, right? So here the given value of volume is 345 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of this device, right? So here we have to find the volume of the cylinder as well as the volume of the sphere, right? Then we have to check whether the volume tallies with this answer. So this is the thing we are going to do, right? So first I start with volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h. Here the value of r is 1 and the value of h is 8, right? So because you see here the diameter is 2, right? So obviously radius is, radius is given by 2 by 2 which is equal to 1 centimeter and height is given. So just substitute the values and here we have the answer as 8 pi centimeter cube, right? So once you substitute the value of pi, we are getting the answer as 25.14 centimeter cube, right? Yes. Now the next thing is we are going to find the radius of the sphere. So radius of the sphere is given by diameter by 2. So here the diameter is 8.5. So 8.5 by 2 gives you 4.25 centimeters. Right. So volume of the sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in order to make a difference, here I had written capital R, right? So just frame sentences. Let small r be the radius of the cylinder and capital R be the radius of the sphere, right? So radius of the cylinder be small r and radius of the sphere be capital R. So now just substitute the values. So 4 by 3 pi r, the value of r is 4.25, right? So just substitute it and here you see the value of pi, it is 3.14. So they had clearly mentioned in the problem, right? Pi is 3.14. If the value of pi is not mentioned, then you can take the value of pi as 22 by 7, right? So here we have to take it as 3.14. So just substitute the values and solve. So here we are ending up with the answer as 321.457 centimeter cube. As I already mentioned, whenever you came across volume, it should be in the form of cube, right? And area means square. So it is always mandatory to mention. So here it is 321.457 centimeter cube. Now we have calculated the volume of the cylinder as well as the volume of the sphere. Right. Now we have to just add and see whether it tallies with the given answer. So when you add, what happens, you see, when you add, right? When you add, you see volume of this cylinder is 25.14 and volume of the sphere is 321.457. So when you add here, the answer is 346.59 centimeter cube, right? So this is the volume of water that the device can hold, right? So but what is the value which is given in the problem? Here the expected volume is 345, right? But what is the actual answer we get? It is 346.59 centimeter cube, right? So this answer is different from that one, right? Though they vary from 1.59 centimeter, but this is max, right? We cannot say it's okay. So therefore the answer, that is the child what she said, is not correct. Therefore finally we are ending with hence she is not correct, because the actual volume level of the vessel is 346.59 centimeter cube, right? So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.